How to send camera roll videos as a snap on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Snapchat on a device. Now simply record a small video. Now tap on the plus icon. Then tap on import media at the top right menu. Now simply scroll and import the video. Then tap on next at the bottom right corner. Now select the first video and tap on the trash icon. Now tap on delete. Now select the second video, tap on next, now tap on preview, then tap on send to, now select the contact and tap on send. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.